This is Lewis from Honey Bear Tactical. Today we are going to talk about the Staccato HD 4.5. So when we talk about the HD line from Staccato, let's talk about some of the innovations that they've baked into their 2011 platform and what's changed from their legacy models. So when you talk about the HD, you have a number of changes that have been made that take the 2011 into the next generation. The biggest change, and for my 2011 purists, I know it hurts, but Glock-mag pattern compatibility. So yeah, we've entered the Glock-mag phase. These mags are made by MagGuard. They're super high quality. You get pretty green followers, but yes, this 2011 runs on Glock mags. One of the other changes they've made, no grip safety. So that grip safety that I saw a lot of you with Ranger bands and tape, you don't have to worry about it anymore, it's gone. So that gives you a different grip angle, slightly different grip texture without that there, gives you a different feel in the hand. Grip texture is still really, really nice. Also, one of the other features is new redesigned mag release. Mag release has been redesigned and it's ambidextrous. So for my lefties, you now can have a mag release that works for you. One of the other things that's ambi is the slide release slide stop. So I can actually drop that with my trigger finger. Second, kind of cool. Kind of was like, why do we need that? Then I realized it also is pushed back. So for those that have troubles dropping that with your thumb, you're in luck because Staccato pushed that back, way more user-friendly, way more ergonomic. That's some of the key features of the HD line. They move the sight, rear sight forward in front of the optic, gives you a more unencumbered sight picture when you're looking through red dot. And if you're not shooting red dot, why not? Remember, we do a red dot class, we can hook you up. Sight block on this model though, that's what I want to talk about. So the 4.5 is a different type of model in the HD lineup. One of the big things you're gonna notice is at the end of that 4.5-inch barrel is that sight block. So for my guys that love to run a comp, understand in USPSA, you run a comp, you're an open minor on a 9mm. You don't wanna be an open minor. That sight block gives you a little extra weight on the end of that barrel and lets you stay in limited optics. And trust me, it really does work. So we took it to the range and we ran a lot of rounds through this. And we're gonna continue to run a lot of rounds through it. And the one thing that I can say is that sight block definitely gives you a difference from the other HD models. It allows this gun to stay on target, track fast, and track smooth. Recoil is really mitigated slightly by the sight block. Now, it's not working wonders. You still gotta do your part, you still have to have your fundamentals. But this sight block really is a welcome addition to the HD lineup. Now, with all of that being said though, is this going to be a competition gun for you? I can say that some of the other features such as the Series 80 trigger, which makes this gun drop safe, it's gonna give you a trigger that's, while it's really great, and we'll trust it with a dry gun, it's really nice. And the reset's really repeatable. It's not gonna give you the same trigger as some of Staccato's legacy models like the XC, XL, and the Staccato P. It's gonna break around 4 pounds. And that take up, I will say, even with a nicely tuned Series 80 trigger from Staccato, it's not gonna go ahead and be the dedicated race gun with a race trigger. But there is options out there. So Red Dirt makes a replacement trigger for this and Infinity makes a kit. So if you're one of those, hashtag the hell with the warranty guys, you can get this trigger pretty crispy. Now, for my people that are gonna use this as a dedicated duty gun, home defense gun, leave it alone. Keep your warranty, let it rock like it is. This gun is gonna outshoot you every day of the week. So, is this the gun for you in every division of competition? Is this a great IDPA gun? Actually, I think it is. GPA, yeah, probably so. 2-gun, this is a perfect 2-gun, 3-gun piece right here. It's rugged, that HD architecture lets you go ahead and run and gun in the mud, crawling, doing all this other stuff that you guys do. I don't do because I don't like to get dirty. But if you're into that kind of stuff, then the HD lineup is for you. Think of it as like the Ford Raptor. You're gonna take it out, you're gonna get dirty. It's still a high quality piece of equipment, but it's able to go ahead and get out there in the mud and roll around. So Is this going to replace my XL for my competition gun? Probably not, but it will have a home in my lineup. And that's kind of all I can ask for. Something that's capable, high quality, that I know is gonna work. And thanks to Glock-mag compatibility, I can stock up on a bunch of mags and a bunch of extensions. And as much as Glock mags, as much as I don't want to be associated with that, it's kind of nice and it's kind of cool. And I applaud, the 2011 evolution to kind of get us to this point. So there we go. This is the Staccato HD 4.5. A lot of new features, a lot of updates, and one very, very, very nice little bit of cheating on the end. So if this gun interests you or any other gun interests you, check out Staccato's website. You can order one. That's what we did. If you're looking for training, remember Honey Bear Tactical is a full service training company. We do a 2011 class that'll teach you how to run this. We do intro to competition classes that'll teach you how to run this in competition. We do makeovers, so I'll take this gun for you and I will make it a phenomenal competition gun if that's what you're looking for. So there you go. Link in the description. Leave a comment. Let me know if you're running a 2011, what 2011 you're running, if you're a 2011 HD lover, or if you're a legacy lover. So there you go. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. And this has been Lewis from Honey Bear Tactical. Till next time.